And hey everybody, and welcome. Today it's me and Morgan, and we're over here at the Saratoga Springs Resort. Now we're doing pools. We're trying to get caught up on all of our pool videos because we're getting a lot of people out there asking us to get some new pools posted for them. So we're out here today at the High Rock Springs Pool, and this is the main pool located over at the Saratoga Springs Resort. Now if you guys aren't familiar where this resort is, this is the resort you can actually walk over from Disney Springs, so it's the closest one. And when you go on that boat ride heading up to the resorts, you'll see this one's the first resort right on the right, and it spans for quite a big distance. Now this resort has several pools on property. The first one you guys are going to see when you guys are on that boat ride, you're going to go by the Congress Park pool. But this is the main pool located right behind the check-in area and the restaurants inside. So we're going to make our way upstairs here and take a little peek. And like I said, we're trying to get some fresh videos out there of all the pools on property because we got a lot of people that want them all updated, see what kind of construction's going on and which ones are open, which ones are not. But here's a good look right now down below. And we're here at a good time. We're nice and early today. The numbers have been lower up here. So this is a nice day to get out here and shoot this pool. Here's a look at the slide. The only downside with the people not showing up at these resorts is that you don't get anybody coming down the slide in videos. But here's a look at the slide, how it wraps around, it goes down around the corner and then down into the pool. And it's all hidden into this like big rocky mountain. So when we get down below, you'll see the opening where it comes out of this little mountain area. And Disney does an incredible job with all the scenery on the outside. You got the waterfall coming down. That looks like a natural waterfall, something you'd see if you were in upstate New York, because this is where this resort is actually themed out of. If you guys know anything about horse racing, it is the obvious place to be. So there's the hole right now, the tunnel coming out is like a little bridge. And this is the little kiddie area. Get a little better look here. I'm not sure why the cone is there, maybe for safety reasons. It is open. Give you guys another look at the back side of the pool right here. You always got the lifeguards on duty. If you don't have a lifeguard on duty, that's probably a pretty good sign that you guys aren't going to be swimming in there today. And here's a smaller, if you guys aren't the die-hard slide fans, this is a smaller one you guys can get on. And they always have the rules posted right next to these things so nobody gets hurt. Now these here, this one, you can actually just jump in and go down. The ones that are up above, they usually have a red and a green light posted, so you'll sit down, wait. When the little light turns green, that's when you go down. They used to have a lot of these places with the lifeguards and stuff, but nowadays they just got the lights up there. Then you got these little fish spraying the water across. That's an actual incredible spot to enter a pool. I like that. It's really, really simple, but yet it's really cool. You've got the water from the fish shooting down at your feet. You guys see the spa in the corner over there. And we're gonna make our way around the back of this pool here. And here's another good look at the pool here. And once again, nobody is in these pools. It's nice to get these pools pretty open. You only got one or two people out there. It's better than coming in during the day and there's a million people out here trying to get a decent video. It's just really hard. But this gives you a better look and a better feel for what the actual pools look like when you guys are visiting. And this is all nestled right into the back part of the Saratoga Resort. So it's right in the main buildings where you guys go to check in. And you just go right across the little street there and down the hill, and this is where you guys are going to find it. Once again, there's a look at them fish spraying the water. That's really cool. You can just sit there and let the water spray on your back or your head all day. And the walk-in is just, I like that. You don't got to worry about the stairs. It's a long, slow, like little walk-in. It's not something that's really fast and you're in the water. They do have a lot of chairs here. I don't know if there's enough for all the people to get here during the day, but the one thing I will say, if you guys decide to come here, there are no, like you see the umbrellas, there's only a few umbrellas posted around. So if you guys are, subject to issues with the sun, definitely put on the sunblock, or that's a good decision when you guys are booking a place to stay. Look at the pools, to give you an example of which ones have the shade, which ones don't. They used to have the little Donald Duck guys in there, and they're gone. So right now there's a look, you've got some life, if you guys need a life vest, you just go grab one, you don't have to go pay for them, you just grab one. and we'll make our way up here. And there's a little bit more of an area I want to look out at the main pool here before we head up there. And right over here, one more look down at the pool. There's the slide to the right, the lifeguards. It's a pretty decent sized pool. And if you guys do get over here, if you're coming out the back of the building, this is what you're going to see. This is the up above entrance to walk down into it. Once again, if you guys haven't subscribed, we do appreciate that. Give it a like. And once again, this is the Saratoga Springs pool, guys. We'll see you on the next one.